time, so I'm not pulling your leg. It hasn't been cleaned. Still got all the mud on the snorkels. So you know I don't have any water in the belt box causing complaints. These haven't been cleaned in 2 rides. Since really haven't rode on it very much. It's time to be cleaned. You can see dust. There is no water got into these clutches. I have a smoke machine that it gets tested before every ride. Here's a better look at the belt box. Stock Can-Am takeoffs, 14-inch wheels, 2-inch wheel spacers in the front, 1-inch spacers in the back. Perfect's 2-inch lift. Here's my throttle engagement. Low. So I'm in a straight, wide open field. First pass low, 2-wheel drive, wide open. Second pass now in high gear.